it's unboxing. Yay! So guys, I got myself a new phone because my older phone was giving me issues. And then if you have been following me, you can attest to it that it's been long that I uploaded video on my YouTube channel, because my camera is very bad. And you know, as a upcoming YouTuber, you know, I don't have all the money to buy the expensive gadgets. So I withdrew from all my savings to get myself this Redmi 14C. And then the space on my other phone also was very small, and then it was just me doing videos and then deleting. Then it was just a whole lot of stress. So I got myself this phone so that I'll be very consistent on my YouTube channel. So as of this time, April 16, I got this phone about 162,000 naira. And then let's review this phone. I've heard so much about this phone, so I have to get it for my vlog. So let's do it. And this phone has 16 gig RAM and also 256 gig ROM. You can see the space is very big, so I wouldn't need to be deleting and also be doing everything. So let's review this phone, guys. And the battery life is very massive, 5160 mAh. You see, the battery life is also very large. Ta-da! I don't know, yay, it's a brand new. You can see how it's looking. Oh my god, this phone, it's giving what it's supposed to give. See guys, see this phone, very slim. The screen also is very tiny, and I so much love it. And the color also is giving. I don't know, my iPhone, the one that I'm using to do video here, is also purple, and then I love the color also that it comes with, and it's giving what it's supposed to give. Yay! Okay, so let's on this phone. Let's on it. Yeah, okay. So as it's coming on, let's take a look at some of the other things that are in the box. Okay, so it comes with a charger. It comes with this charger here, this one. Look at how cute it's looking. And also its cord. This is the cord that it comes with a type C cord. Yeah, and it also comes with this pin here that you can use to put your SIM. And one thing I love about this phone is a dual SIM. It's a dual SIM, and it also comes with this pouch, this transparent pouch, and it has 2 manual for you to get to know anything about the phone. And this pouch is transparent. I love it because it's transparent, and it will be able to show that purple dream color, you understand, and then it will look so beautiful. So this is it. So let's fix the pouch together. Oh, I'm so much loving this phone and everything concerning it. You see, it's up. So I've done the settings. So now we are going to be reviewing the camera of this phone, because that is the most important thing that I really want to know about the phone. So let's review the oh my god, guys. Oh, this camera is giving what it's supposed to give, the camera of this phone. Okay guys, so let's take a picture. Let's take a picture and then review this phone with me, guys. Oh my god. Okay, okay, can you see the picture, the picture quality? You know, my phone, this phone that I'm using to record is not clear, but you can still see. Maybe once I vlog on this phone, you'll be able to see clearly what this phone is giving. Look at how clear it is. Like I can zoom it to like see my face, see everything. You see, I can even see pimples. Any pimples on my face, I can see it. Oh my god, oh my god. No, the camera is good. So let's make a video. Hello guys, it's Tessimimi here again. If you are new on this YouTube channel, you're welcome. And one thing about it is that you can make a video and pause and still continue. You see this button here, this button, you can pause and continue making the video from where you stop. Do you get it? It's giving what it's supposed to give. So I'm going to be okay. As of this time that I'm making this video, is night. It's like the day is very, very dark, and my room is very dark, and because my ring light also, I use a smaller distance. But this phone is giving what it's supposed to give, seriously guys, and I am so happy that I got this phone. I'm so happy. I'm so grateful that I got it. So guys, I'm going to be very consistent with my YouTube channel. Wait for more videos, guys. This phone is giving what it's supposed to give. You see, at the time I bought it, I bought it 162,000. I bought it on GG, and then it's giving what it's supposed to give, guys. Oh, so if you are stay up to this very moment, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to this YouTube channel, because there are going to be more videos, more bangers coming on this channel very soon. No dull movement again. No dull movement again, because this my iPhone was really giving me issues, but now we have a brand new phone that we can also be doing our videos and everything. So guys, thank you for watching. Do well to subscribe to this channel and also comment on your review on this phone. I have not used it for a very long time, but subsequently I'm going to be dropping a lot of review on this phone that will be very interesting. So if you have not gotten one, and it's very budget friendly for your vlogs and everything. So guys, bye, see you in my next video. Bye, I love you. Mwah.